Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap and I'm a watchmaker in the Netherlands. Every once in a while a client drops by and you think, no way. Well, this is one of those days. Client came by with a watch from Ferdinand Berthoud, the real one. Watchmaker, French, watchmaker of the king. And I give you a bit more information later on, but I really would love to show you the inside of this extraordinary watch. Ferdinand Berthoud, probably in my top 3 historical watchmakers, in random order. Berthoud, John Harrison, Abraham Louis Breguet. Watchmaker of the king in France. I did some research, and I did quite some research on Ferdinand Berthoud. I believe this watch is just around 1760 until 1770. But look at this. The first watch case, and here, beautiful back. This watch is probably not aristocracy, it's probably royalty. That's the level of watchmaking this is. See-through case back. There we go. Beautiful enamel piece of art on the back. Just a jewelry. The second case, open it. Even if we look at the decoration of the hands with the stones, it's beautiful. Again, just imagine 1760, 1770. To make pieces like this is just insane. He was a very important watchmaker because he did a lot of innovation, especially for the marine chronometer, just as John Harrison did. Breguet was most likely a student of Ferdinand Berthoud, an apprentice when he started out. Berthoud was the watchmaker, well, watchmaker of the king at the time in France. This is such a stunning piece. I really would love to show you. Interesting fact: the complete workshop of Ferdinand Berthoud you can visit at Musée des Arts and Métiers in Paris. I'll make a link in the comments, in the description, and his complete workshop is there, still visible, just as the day he passed away. So it doesn't get any better than this from watches from this era. When we put this video out, this watch will be safe back to the client, but I really wanted to show you the highest piece of art in horology. Well, really hope you enjoyed it, and please follow our YouTube channel Chronoglide. Please subscribe if you're into watchmaking and you want to see more stunning pieces like this. So from all of us here in Chronoglide, hope to see you soon, and see you. Bye bye.